Good morning students, welcome to our video class. So yesterday we have completed this lesson Mina and dinosaurs. Today we will see the question answers. Answer in brief. Which film had Mina gone to? Yes. Which film had Mina gone to? Yes, right. Mina had gone to watch the Jurassic World. Why did Mina want to learn more about dinosaurs? Yes, because she was preparing for the science exhibition in her school, so she wanted more information about the dinosaurs. Which book was Mina's grandma reading? Who had written it? Yes, Mina's grandmother was reading about the dinosaurs. About the dinosaurs she was reading, and it was written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. What are Jurassic animals? Yes, Jurassic animals are the animals which lived millions of years ago. So, they are called the Jurassic animals. Yes, name the dinosaurs and other Jurassic animals mentioned in the text. So, which were the dinosaurs which I mentioned in the text are Indominus Rex, Tyrannosaurus, Velociraptor, Stegosaurus, Pterodactyl and Iguanodon. These were all the dinosaurs which are mentioned in the textbook. I know where we must go for my science project. Who said this to whom? Obviously you know this. This is said by Mina. Mina said to her grandmother. Where did she want to go? She wanted to go for the South America. Yes, correct? Yes. Answer in detail that I will give. Now coming to the grammar. Today we will learn about the determiners. What are determiners? Determinants are the words this, that, these, those. Okay? This, that, these, those. These are all what? Determiners. We will learn about determiners and articles. Already you know what are articles. A and the. These are the articles. Again, in that two types of articles are there: indefinite articles and definite articles. A and an are the indefinite articles. The is the definite article. You learned already this one. Okay. Now we will see here. We know that A and the are articles. Now read these sentences. We stayed still looking at this marvelous sight. No human beings lived at that time. This and that are determiners. We use this or these to refer to something which is near us in time or place. We use that or those. We refer to something which is far from us in time or place. So, if anything, any material is near to us, what will tell? We will tell this. This book, take this book. If one book is there, what will tell? Take this book. If many books are there, take those books, will tell. What will tell? Take these books, will tell. If it is near, isn't it? If it is far, what will tell? That is my motorcycle. If it is only one. If there are many, those are my students. Yes. If they are far, what will tell? Those are my students, will tell. Isn't it? This is the difference between singular and plural. Yes. Now, here see, these books on this shelf are about animals. These books, this means many books are there. So you can see here books. Books is a noun. If it is a noun is plural in the plural, then the determinants are also in plural. These we will use. If they are near, then we will use these. If the books are far, then what we can? Those books will tell, isn't it? Depending upon whether it is far or near. Those books on that desk are about birds. See, those means many. Plural form. Yes. Now that desk, it is far from us. So we are using that. So in the same way, here are some sentences. We have to write a suitable word, suitable determiners and suitable article. Wherever article is necessary, there we have to write. Let us see here. Complete the passage with the correct words from the brackets. Yes, students, see. This is room where class 5 students are kept. Students have kept their charts and models. As you can see here, which is the correct article here, you have to see. So already they have given here this. Okay, already it is mentioned in the textbook. This is, which will be the article here. This is the room where class 5 students have kept their charts and models. This is the correct. Okay. Now second one. Meena has made dash chart on iguanodons. So which will be here? Meena has made this chart on iguanodons. So which will be the correct here? This. Meena had made this chart on iguanodons. She has even drawn dash iguanodon eating leaves. She has even drawn and become and iguanodon eating leaves. And because I is there, vowel, you know, whenever you are writing vowel word, then you have to use and. Eating and leaves. Yes. Can you see dash little clay dinosaurs on dash table? So you have to think over it here. Little bit you have to think here. See. Can you see? Can you see those little clay of dinosaurs on that table? Yes? Little bit you have to think. You have to read the sentence. You will come to know. Can you see those little clay dinosaurs? Those will come here. You have to see here. Those. Why means those little clay dinosaurs. Yes, many are the dinosaurs. So we are using those because here it is a plural. Noun is a plural. So we are using those. Can you see those little clay dinosaurs on that table? Table is one here, isn't it? So you have to understand that one. On that table, we will see them after. We will see them after we look at. You look at this or these. Yes, we will see after We will see them after we look at this cardboard, this cardboard dinosaurs, these here, these cardboard because chloroform is there, dinosaurs. So we are using these dinosaurs hanging on this wall, hanging on this wall. So like this, you have to make out correctly. If you don't understand, you have to read sentence two times. If you read again and again sentence, you will come to know where we have to use the determiners and where we have to use these articles. So I hope you understood this one. Thank you.